Hey yo, Icon, you need to be kidnapped for this one. MI Killz, it's world famous. We go hard. So sick of the sorrow. Every time we gotta borrow stack chips for tomorrow.
Yo, in the booth on the street, we the new industry. Ain't nothing diminished. We go hard.
MI Killz, the remedy we spill like ecstasy pills.
Ikechukwu and MI, rugged, really fly from the gutter in the sky. Is that short black on the track with the world famous storm cat? Icon on the bomb track in your face like a contact. MI or E-Killz, others hustle, we chills. Can't battle me skills, my lyrics have refills. I slay tracks, Blu-ray to ADAT. Other rappers say that, but their songs are in E-flat. They B-whack, me smack any rapper's kneecap. I'm expensive champagne and rappers be like free crack. And still gotta come with negativity. Can they see the E equals MC like relativity? Me and E-Killz dispel shells like the military. Rappers so dead they call their studio the cemetery. But I F's with the legendary academy. They don't see the epitome, the swagger and the killer beat the pedigree. Spit it with ability and imagery. Ladies and fellas feeling me and feeling E, cause we go hard.
So sick of the sorrow. Every time we gotta borrow stack chips for tomorrow.
Yo, in the booth on the street, we the new industry. Ain't nothing diminished. We go hard.
MI Killz, the remedy we spill like ecstasy pills.
Ikechukwu and MI, rugged, really fly from the gutter in the sky.
I heard it all from the DMX looking like to the on TV. You're looking big face to face, you're looking like you're light as a feather. Go ahead like yo, whatever. Just because I'm left by don't mean I don't see the cheddar. I'm doing better than I was doing in 06. Picture this, a Freemason building with no bricks. I figured if the money chase was gonna bring more gifts, I could lift up to the sky, I wouldn't need no split. So I spit as hard as a rock, as hard as a block. From Dangote cement, I make it rise in all of the stock. Market, I park it in my bank parking lot. Count the money cause you know the money's all that we got. Hot! Arco fire, flames, it burns. Coming from this evil boy for long awaited his turn. Just so he could show and prove and they could listen and learn. Cause if they listen and learn, maybe they learn how to earn and go hard. So sick of the sorrow. Every time we gotta borrow stack chips for tomorrow.
Yo, in the booth on the street, we the new industry. Ain't nothing diminished. We go hard.
MI Killz, the remedy we spill like ecstasy pills.
Ikechukwu and MI, rugged, really fly from the gutter in the sky. Yo, listen, strolling through green like we playing golf. We taking over Europe, making hits like A-Dog. Hey, haters animated like Baywolf. Eyes on the payoff, they can all stay off. Never take a day off till I'm king of Lagos. They often wanna fire me like a laid off. Nigga, please, trigger squeeze, bullets breeze past. MIE Killz VIP class.
Don't ask me to explain with a page from a book of pain, so you can analyze the train of thought. King Kong when I stomp, blood pumps just like a transfusion. Run away despair with Mad Buddha abusing, you lose it. Academy made me bold, Mr. Incredible and Killz the Incredible Hulk. All these lame ass rappers be the prey we stalk. We go hard outlining all these fools in chalk.
We go hard.
So sick of the sorrow. Every time we gotta borrow stack chips for tomorrow.
Yo, in the booth on the street, we the new industry. Ain't nothing diminished. We go hard.
MI Killz, the remedy we spill like ecstasy pills.
Ikechukwu and MI, rugged, really fly from the gutter in the sky. We go hard.
So sick of the sorrow. Every time we gotta borrow stack chips for tomorrow.
Yo, in the booth on the street, we the new industry. Ain't nothing diminished. We go hard.
MI Killz, the remedy we spill like ecstasy pills.
Ikechukwu and MI, rugged, really fly from the gutter in the sky.
Hey, and you know that's soft. You real soft. All y'all rappers are real soft. That's right, I said it.